Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about something very important, the cloud. What is the cloud? Imagine a giant, powerful computer that you can use over the internet. This computer is not in your house. It is in a big building called a data center. Companies like Microsoft own these data centers. They have many computers. You can rent a small piece of these computers. You can use them to store your photos, run your applications, or even build a whole business. This is what we call cloud computing. It is like using electricity from a power company instead of building your own power generator at home. Why is the cloud so important now? Think about the world today. We use so many online services. We watch movies on Netflix. We listen to music on Spotify. We work together on documents using Microsoft 365. All of these services run on the cloud. The cloud makes it possible for companies to offer these amazing services to millions of people all over the world. It is fast, it is powerful, and it is reliable. Learning about the cloud is like learning how the modern world works. It is a key skill for many jobs in technology and business. It opens up many new opportunities for everyone. The cloud has changed how businesses operate. Before the cloud, a company had to buy its own servers. This was very expensive. They needed a lot of money to start. They also needed a special room and people to manage the servers. Now, with the cloud, they can start small. They can rent just what they need. If their business grows, they can easily rent more power. This is called scalability. It allows small companies to compete with big ones. This flexibility helps businesses to innovate and create new things much faster than before. The cloud is a great equalizer, so understanding the cloud is no longer just for technical experts. It is for everyone. It is for business owners who want to grow. It is for students who want to prepare for the future. It is for anyone who is curious about how technology is shaping our lives. When you understand the basic ideas of the cloud, you understand the foundation of modern digital life. It helps you see how things connect and how new technologies are built. This knowledge is incredibly valuable, no matter what your career path is. It is the first step into a larger, more connected world of technology. Now that we know what the cloud is, let's talk about a great way to start learning it. This is the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification. Think of it as your first official step into the world of Microsoft Azure. Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. It is one of the biggest and most popular cloud platforms in the world. The AZ-900 exam is designed to test your basic knowledge of cloud concepts and Azure services. It is not a deeply technical exam. It is a foundational exam. Its main purpose is to prove that you understand the core ideas of the cloud and how they work on Azure. So what will you learn for this exam? The AZ-900 exam covers several key areas. First, it covers general cloud concepts. This includes things like what is public, private, and hybrid cloud. You will also learn about capital expenditure, or CapEx, and operational expenditure, or OpEx. Next, it covers core Azure services. You will learn about key services for computing like virtual machines, for storage like blob storage, and for networking. Then it covers security, privacy, compliance, and trust. You will understand how Azure keeps your data safe. Finally, it covers Azure pricing and support, so you know how you pay for services and what help is available. Who should take the AZ-900 exam? This exam is perfect for beginners. It is for anyone who wants to start a career in the cloud. It is also great for people in non-technical roles. For example, people in sales, marketing, or project management who work with cloud projects. If you are a manager, understanding the cloud helps you make better decisions. If you are a student, it gives you a strong foundation for your future career. You do not need any prior IT experience to start studying for the AZ-900. It is designed to be your entry point, your very first step on the cloud ladder. Passing the AZ-900 exam shows employers that you are serious about learning cloud technology. It gives you a certification from Microsoft, which is a respected name in the industry. This can make your resume look much better. It shows that you have a verified understanding of the fundamentals. This is very helpful when you are applying for entry-level cloud jobs or even internships. It proves that you have the basic language and concepts down. This allows you to have more meaningful conversations about technology with your team and your clients. It is a fantastic way to build your confidence and start your journey. Preparing for the AZ-900 exam does not have to be difficult. There are many great resources available, and many of them are free. One of the best places to start is Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn is a free online platform. It has learning paths specifically designed for the AZ-900 exam. These paths break down all the topics into small, easy-to-understand modules. They include reading materials, short videos, and simple quizzes to check your knowledge. It is a very structured way to learn everything you need to know, directly from the source. I highly recommend starting there. It is comprehensive and always up to date. Another amazing resource is online video courses. Many instructors create detailed video courses that walk you through every topic on the exam. You can find these on platforms like YouTube. For example, my own YouTube channel has a full AZ-900 course available for free. These videos can be very helpful because you can see demonstrations of the Azure Portal. This helps you visualize the concepts you are learning. You can pause, rewind, and watch the videos as many times as you need. This visual style of learning works very well for many people and makes complex ideas much simpler to grasp. Once you have studied the material, practice is key. You need to test your knowledge to see if you are ready. There are many websites that offer practice exams for the AZ-900. These exams have questions that are similar to the ones you will see on the real test. Taking these practice tests helps you get used to the question format. It also helps you find your weak areas. If you get many questions wrong about security, you know you need to go back and study that topic more. This is a critical step. Do not skip the practice tests. They build confidence and ensure you are prepared. Finally, let's talk about the exam details. The AZ-900 exam usually has between 40 to 60 questions. You will have about 60 minutes to complete it. The questions can be multiple choice, drag and drop, or other simple formats. The passing score is 700 out of 1,000. The cost of the exam can vary by country, but it is one of the more affordable Microsoft certifications. The exam is also available in many different languages. Knowing these details helps you feel more comfortable on exam day. You know what to expect, so you can focus on answering the questions correctly and showing what you have learned. Passing the AZ-900 exam is a fantastic achievement. It is more than just a piece of paper. It is your ticket to a new world of opportunities. This certification is the foundation upon which you can build a successful career in cloud computing. After passing, you will feel much more confident. You will understand the language of the cloud. You will be able to talk about Azure services and cloud concepts with your colleagues and in job interviews. This new confidence is very powerful. It encourages you to keep learning and to take on new challenges. It is the spark that can ignite a lifelong passion for technology. The AZ-900 is a stepping stone. It is not the end of your journey. It is the beginning. After you have this fundamental certification, you can decide where you want to go next. Are you interested in building solutions? You could study for the Azure Administrator or AZ-104 certification. Do you like working with data? Perhaps the Azure Data Fundamentals or DP900 is your next step. Are you passionate about security? There are specialized security certifications too. The AZ-900 gives you a map of the Azure world. You can then choose which path you want to explore more deeply. It opens doors to many different specialized roles. The value of this certification goes beyond just getting a job in IT. The world is becoming more digital every day. Understanding the cloud is becoming a basic skill, like knowing how to use a computer. It helps you in many aspects of your life. You become a more informed consumer of technology. You understand the news about data breaches and new tech innovations better. This knowledge empowers you to make smarter decisions, both personally and professionally. It helps you stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. This is a skill that will benefit you for many years to come, no matter your job title. So if you are thinking about learning something new, consider the AZ-900. It is an investment in yourself. It is a clear, structured way to learn about one of the most important technologies of our time. It is a challenge, but it is a very achievable one. The journey will teach you so much, and the destination will open up a world of possibilities. Take that first step. Start your cloud journey today. You will be amazed at where it can take you. The future is in the cloud, and with the AZ-900, you can be a part of it. Good luck.